You just found the 2019 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a boldly beautiful Tundra that delivers serious strength and upscale comfort. Engineered to maximize towing and handling stability, this handsome truck also spoils you with a smooth ride and premium cabin loaded with amenities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, power driver seat, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system. Relax and enjoy the adventure in this can-do Tundra. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.